Good news from Bless Network, guys. I share a link with you guys on this project on our Telegram channel about airdrop allocation, and so many people do not qualify for this airdrop due to one reason or the other. And later after that, I share with you guys that you should fill this form, and if you fill this form and you participated in the airdrop, then there is good news for you. The news is that during our review, we found active testnet participants whose contribution weren't fully reflected in the original data. To uphold fairness, these documents are now aligned with the rest of the network. No one effort should go unseen. This update is now live. So go to that link again, the link I shared on our Telegram channel here. Copy this link or you paste it. So once you copy this link, go to your OKS wallet and paste the link in the browser section of your OKS wallet and log into this platform. I've made a video on how to submit your wallet address. Now once you've submitted your wallet address, then log into this platform with the same wallet and the same password. Now it comes out like this. Now here is the menu. Tap on the menu button, then go ahead and tap on airdrop. Once tap on airdrop like this, then it comes out like this. Then your time will be given, and here it is. You have your time here given, and this says that as one of the very first participants, your time represents the contribution you made in this journey. You can now choose how to redeem your Blex token reward as TGA, the governance token of the shared computer. And for the Blessed, there is an extra boost you can amplify for your reward by redeeming staked Bless. So once you scroll down and it comes out like this, you have different vesting period or vesting schedule here, guys, that you can use. Select your Bless redemption preference. Now here is what you need to do. You can choose from any of this one. The default one, the selected or picked for you, is that of 9 months. That is, the current average staking duration is 9 months. So if you want to take your Bless immediately, you get 1x of what you mine. If you wait for 3 months, you get 3x. And if you adopt 12 months, you get 8x. And if you adopt 18 months, you get 15x. This has to do with you guys. I am not your financial advisor. Always try and take your own decision. So, and you have 6 days to claim this token. You see, claims end in 6 days, 19 hours, as at when this video is being recorded. And I'm doing this using my OKS wallet account. So I will select one that's with me. Once you select that, guys, you need to provide your password to your OKS wallet. Then tap on done, tap on confirm. Once tap on done and confirm, it comes out like that, says success, airdrop claim decision, stake 18 months submitted successfully. Now you can see that your redemption preference has been recorded. Then you see that you follow them on X, and you see that is 18 months. And I did, I'm going to get 3,783.96 Blex token. So that is what you need to do right away in order to claim your Blex token in airdrop. If you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. See you soon, guys, on our next video.